Hi guys, Elledani here, and today I want to talk to you about a company I just found called SA Fishing. They do mostly face shields, which, as you saw, will shield your face. They go up over the ears. This is not to be confused with the N95 masks, which are actively filtering bacteria and particles out of the air, but they will protect you from some things. I mostly like these for cleaning dirty cages, dealing with the garden, dealing with like dirty jobs, and also to not be touching my face. I am a huge face toucher. I don't know about any of you, but tell me if you are. Especially in a time like this, I've realized how much I touch my face. So this will definitely help that. Also say for asthmatics that you should, at least in the cold, have something covering your mouth, which if you don't know, I am asthmatic as well. This is the Polynesian tribal print, which I fell in love with as soon as I saw it. However, it really does look like Polynesian or even Inuit art to me. However, that is a triquetra or a triskel, which is absolutely Irish or neo-pagan of a symbol, which is fine. I mean, I don't mind, but that is not a Polynesian symbol to my knowledge. If I'm wrong, and it is also Polynesian, please tell me in the comments. So I got a few of these, and I'd like to show you all of them. This one is a faux alligator. Super cool. So these can actually be used as face shields. I put it up over my ears first, and then onto my nose, because if I do right onto my nose, it just like floods up my face. So you want to put it on your ears first and then up over your nose. But you can also use them as more of a headband to keep your hair back, which is actually what Ragnar's really excited to use them for. His hair is always bothering him and in his face, so he was excited to use them as headbands, which there is a logo. If you don't like the logo, you could always just put it in the back and then you won't ever see it. The next one is like a skull. I thought it was kind of cool. The next one is a skull, so if you put it at the bottom, it makes the bottom of your face look like a skull, which I thought was kind of badass. I really liked this very realistic skull pattern. So in an effort to not pull my eyelashes off, I kind of went wide up over my ears first, and then roll it down. Yeah, that's actually pretty badass. I haven't mentioned there were really nice almost like spandex swimsuit material, so they're super, super soft and comfortable. So you can also see the plain black one that Ragnar got in the opening picture. If you scroll all the way back, you'll see our opener screen is Ragnar and I actually using these outside. To have it block the super cold air was absolutely amazing. I loved it for that outside. So this one is galaxy themed, which is why I loved it. This is the first one that actually sparked me to wanting these. Too much hair, guys. I specifically did this video last as I was recording because I knew it would fuck my makeup up. Also, let me tell you, if you have a lot of hair, you will need to pull it up under your hair a little bit. Oh, I like this one a lot too with the galaxy on it. And like for me personally, when I'm like working and cleaning cages, I love that I can just like pull this down and have it around my neck. And if I need something or if I need it for something that's gross, I just like pop it up and be done. I have played with like using different like cloth masks and stuff, and it is a pain in the ass, especially if they're not disposable, to put them on, take them off, keep them clean, put them on, take them off, keep it clean. This way it's kind of just going on and off your face and not having to be set down anywhere. Again, these are definitely not a replacement for the surgical masks, but they are definitely a good alternative for any kind of mask. For like the N95 masks or any kind of medical mask, but if you're doing any kind of like dirty work or cleaning, or you just want to like keep yourself from touching your face, which is my problem, these are a great option. The last one that we have here is, this one appears to be like a Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. It looks like, it's kind of hard to see with the packaging, but it looks like a green skeleton on one side and like a yellow face on the other. This isn't something that I will personally wear or Ragnar will wear, so this will be in a giveaway that's coming really soon. I will link that right here. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that if you were looking for face shields, this did it for you. I'm in love with this brand. They have tons of great styles and they're super comfortable and fit great. So if you're looking for a face shield or a mask, definitely seek out SA Company. I am not sponsored. I just really love them. If they wanted to sponsor me, I'd be okay with it, so they could hit me up. I'm very outdoorsy and I deal with a lot of animals, so I clean a lot, so I could use a lot of these. Anyways, guys, please be super safe. Crazy times we're dealing with right now. Wash your hands, don't touch your face. If a shield helps, do it. Do it immediately. Other than that, hope you all have a great weekend. Until next time.
Ha 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 ha!